Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about a psychological tool called mind mapping. What is mind mapping? Mind mapping is a visual thinking tool that helps organize information, ideas, and concepts in a structured, nonlinear way. It is developed by British psychologist Tony Bidgen. Practicing mind mapping helps to highlight memory improvement, reduced cognitive load, and enhanced creativity. Welcome to the video.
Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a tidal wave of information? It's a common struggle in today's fast-paced world. Do you struggle to organize your thoughts or remember important details? You're not alone. Many people face this challenge daily. Unlock the full potential of your mind with mind mapping, a revolutionary technique that can transform the way you think, learn, and create. It's a game changer for personal and professional growth. Imagine a world where complex ideas become crystal clear, where brainstorming sessions erupt with creativity, and where your memory becomes a steel trap. This is not a fantasy, it's achievable with mind mapping. This is the world of mind mapping, where your thoughts are organized and your ideas flow effortlessly. Mind mapping is more than just note-taking. It's a visual thinking tool that mirrors the natural way your brain processes information. It helps you see the big picture and the finer details simultaneously. By tapping into the power of both hemispheres, mind mapping unlocks hidden connections, enhances recall, and fuels your imagination. It bridges the gap between logic and creativity. In an age of information overload, mind mapping offers a lifeline to clarity, creativity, and success. Embrace this tool and transform your mental landscape. Imagine a spider with long, colorful legs. At the center of the spiderweb is the main idea, like planning a vacation. Each leg represents a key aspect, like destination, budget, activities, and packing list. As you move outward along each leg, you add subtopics, details, and connections, just like a spider spins its intricate web. This is the essence of mind mapping. A visual representation of information that uses colors, images, keywords, and branches to stimulate your brain and make complex ideas easy to grasp. Unlike linear note-taking, mind mapping allows you to see the big picture, understand relationships, and easily recall information. Why are mind maps so effective? What makes them such a powerful tool for learning and creativity? The answer lies in the way our brains are wired. Our brains are designed to make connections and see patterns. Our brains thrive on associations. They naturally link ideas together, creating a web of interconnected thoughts. When you connect ideas with lines, colors, and images, you create a powerful visual network that boosts memory and understanding. This visual network helps in organizing thoughts more clearly. Mind mapping engages both the left and right hemispheres of your brain, making it a holistic approach to learning. The left brain handles logic, language, and analysis, while the right brain excels at creativity, imagination, and spatial awareness. This dual engagement enhances cognitive abilities. By combining these strengths, mind mapping unlocks your full cognitive potential. It allows you to use your brain more effectively. Mind maps are not just visually appealing, they tap into your brain's natural learning process. They make learning more engaging and effective. By associating information with vivid imagery and spatial relationships, mind maps make it easier for your brain to encode, store, and retrieve information later. This method leverages the brain's natural tendencies. This is why mind mapping can significantly improve memory and recall. It transforms the way you learn and remember information. The applications of mind mapping are virtually limitless, extending far beyond the classroom. Students can use mind maps to take notes, brainstorm essay topics, memorize vocabulary, or prepare for presentations. They can also use them to organize their thoughts and structure their study sessions more effectively. For example, a student struggling to remember historical dates can create a mind map with the main event in the center and branches radiating outwards for each year, key figures, and significant details. This visual representation helps in better retention and recall of information. In the business world, mind maps are invaluable for brainstorming, project planning, problem solving, and decision making. They help teams visualize complex ideas and break them down into manageable parts. Imagine a team gathered around a whiteboard, using a mind map to brainstorm marketing strategies for a new product launch. This collaborative tool fosters creativity and ensures that all ideas are captured. The central idea is the product, and each branch represents a different marketing channel, target audience, or campaign idea. This method ensures a comprehensive approach to planning and execution. Mind mapping is more than just a technique. It's a gateway to unlocking your brain's full potential. By harnessing the power of visual thinking, association, and whole brain engagement, mind mapping empowers you to think more clearly, learn more effectively, and unleash your creativity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to sharpen their mind mapping offers a world of possibilities. So grab a pen, unleash your inner artist, and discover the transformative power of mind mapping today.
From a psychological perspective, mind mapping leverages the brain's natural tendency to think associatively. The brain does not process information in a linear, step-by-step manner but rather through networks of interconnected ideas. Mind maps tap into this by highlight memory improvement, reduced cognitive load, and enhanced creativity. Thank you for watching. Share this idea to students, teachers and others. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.